Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner Series. This is video number 26. In this video, we will learn close, exit and reopen Excel file. So let's start. To close the current workbook, go to the File tab and click on the Close option. Okay, and the second way you can press the Control W to close your current workbook. You can see the one dialog box is open. If you want to save, save it. If you don't want to save, so don't save. Okay, so this is a way you can quickly close your Excel file. To exit Excel completely, click on the X button at the top right corner. This is the X button to close. Okay, and instead of this you can use the shortcut key Alt F4. Okay, Alt F4, use the Alt F4 and that's it. You can just save if you want to save and just exit your Excel sheet. Okay, so that's it. To reopen Excel file, simply double click on the Excel icon on your desktop. Okay, or press the window key. So here I press the window key and type here the Excel. So I just type here the Excel and just double click on the Excel, and here you can see your Excel file is open. Okay, you can also use the recent file list. Okay, these are the recent file list. If you want to open anything, I just simply double click on this and here you go, your Excel file is open. So this is a way you can close, exit and reopen the Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.